because you can mess around and eat this whole jar and really throw your whole life off. Okay, maybe not your whole life, but all your macros, okay? Let me ask you a question. Do you struggle with sweet tooth cravings? If you do, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you do to handle those cravings, or if you just give in and just say, forget it, I'll just eat whatever I want. I don't like doing that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you 2 options that I use whenever that sweet tooth kicks in. I gotta kick back, I gotta be ready. So if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So I'm gonna show you 2 options that I've been using for a long time now. Hopefully these can help you out. If they do, let me know in the comments. If they do, let me know in the comments what you do to tackle a sweet tooth. Whenever that sweet tooth kicks in, whatever kind of diet you're on, let me know what you do to maybe it'll help somebody else out as well. Like, subscribe for more content like this. But let's get right into it, because this is something that I use all the time. Usually later on in the day is when, like mid-afternoon is when the sweet tooth will kick in. And so I'm like, oh man, I gotta be ready. There's 2 of the options that I use, so check this out real quick. Okay, I've said this before in my other videos. This is the best stuff right here. This 4 fruits jelly, man, you cannot beat it. I get the big jar at Costco. You can also find the smaller jars at H-E-B, at Kroger, at Walmart. They carry the smaller ones. Make sure you get the 4 fruits, because it just tastes great, okay? But you have to measure it out, all right? So what I like to do is I like to get half a tablespoon and measure it out like that, all right? Let me show you what I use here. Now, the best tasting low carb bread on the market is this Sara Lee delightful white bread, because white bread tastes great as it is. This right here, if you have not tried this Sara Lee white bread, it is delightful. All right, what they saying, man, it truly is. It is so soft. I use this all the time. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. If you know, you know. If you don't know, find it, okay? Because this right here will handle a lot of your sweet tooth issues. I also make a killer grilled cheese sandwich with this. Maybe I'll make a video on that, show you how to make a grilled cheese. It's so basic, but man, it's so good. So yeah, keep this in stock. Family loves it, kids love it, everybody loves it. This Sara Lee delightful, man, keep this in stock, all right? Okay guys, another option I use, okay, is these tortillas, all right? I know some people don't like the tortillas, that's fine, don't eat them, but man, I'm telling you, do this and put these tortillas in the microwave and it will change your life. Okay, they just taste so good. If you're really trying to knock out a sweet tooth, these little guys are so good. I use 2 tortillas or I use 1 wrap, all right? I usually get the Extreme Wellness ones. They have fiber, low carb, but let me show you what I use on these as well. Now these are gonna go in the microwave just for like, 10-15 seconds, nothing too long, but man, I'm telling you, I mean, you gotta try it if you eat stuff like that. If you don't eat these, then definitely don't try it. But now one thing I do as well is I use the Nutso. It has 7 different nuts and seeds in it, and it's a great way to get your healthy fats that you need, all right? But make sure you measure it out. Don't go in there with a shovel. Make sure you get your tablespoon and measure it out, all right? So, because it's so easy to go over on this. But let me just show you, this is so easy, guys. This is so easy. It knocks out a sweet tooth, so easy. Look, let me show you. All right, guys, here it's so simple. Like I said, I mean, obviously I like this bread. I use a lot of it. So just get you 2 slices of bread, all right? You don't need to do nothing else with it. Make sure you measure it out. So this is why I get half a tablespoon, because I want to make sure I measure it out, okay? Because you can mess around and eat this whole jar and really throw your whole life off. Okay, maybe not your whole life, but all your macros, okay? So look, just do like that. That's plenty, okay? On each bread, just spread that joker around like that. I mean, you're basically just making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but I'm telling you, if you use this, it will knock out your sweet tooth. I am not joking, all right? This right here can just handle business. If you just want to knock it out just like that, but I also like a tablespoon of peanut butter to it, so that's why I do the half. So I add half on. This is also so I can measure out how much I'm eating. So look at that. I mean, spread it on there. This is just pure goodness right here. I am telling you, if you try this, it's so basic. If you want to use like an almond butter or whatever your favorite butter is, go ahead and use that. Make sure you measure it out. That's all I can say, just measure it out. And I mean, look, there you have it. These 2 guys right here will knock out a sweet tooth, I promise you. all right? You just fold them jokers up and just eat them like that, okay? So I'm serious. This right here, this will take care of a sweet tooth every time, every single time. It's so good. It's so good. I'm telling you, man, try this out. Don't sleep on this. If you're struggling with your sweet tooth, you gotta try this one out. I'm telling you. Let's knock out these tortillas. Let me show you what to do on these. What I like to do with the tortillas is put them in the microwave for a few seconds, heat them up. Game changer, watch. Okay guys, remember, same thing right here. I'm just using these tortillas, okay? So what you wanna do, you're just gonna do the same thing. Let's go ahead and just do half a tablespoon of jelly on there. Put it on there. Another half a tablespoon on another one. Okay, this is gonna be an afternoon snack. It's gonna taste like a treat. It's gonna taste like a treat, I'm telling you. I'm gonna go ahead. Now, you don't have to use this butter as well. You can just put the jelly on there. And man, I'm telling you, just do that right there. And it comes out great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the microwave. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there for 15 seconds. Be right back. All right, I'm back 15 seconds later. And look, it kind of gets a little runny on you. Check that out. See how it moves around, because now it's heated up. So all you do, man, you just roll these jokers up and you basically just have like a fruit roll up almost. I mean, look at that. It's, ooh, buddy, look at that, falling out. Come on now. These right here, I've been having these for so long. Anytime I get a sweet tooth, it's falling out. Anytime I get a sweet tooth, man, this is my go-to right here. This is my go-to. I love these. You heat them up in the microwave, 15 seconds, it's ready to go. Every time, these things taste so good. Try these out. Let me know what you think. It's just dripping all over the place here. So yeah, that's it. I mean, this right here, this will knock out a sweet tooth, I guarantee it. These right here are probably my favorite. I've been making these for a long time, and this has really helped me out whenever you get that afternoon sweet tooth and you're like, man, I'm about to make a decision here. Is it gonna be the right one or is it gonna be the wrong one, all right? So if you're worried about the ingredients in this, try to compare it to what your other options are, okay? So try to compare it to what your old options were. What got you in a position where you're even considering, you know, following a different type of diet or something like that. So these are just alternatives. These are just options. So these are things that I've used in the past. I use all the time. I'm gonna have to eat these now. I'm gonna have to eat all 4 of them. I wanted to make these and show them to you because these have really helped me out. I mean, that's bottom line. They've really helped me out. I keep all the ingredients here anyways because I use them in other things. You're basically just making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. You know, that's basically what it is. If you trick yourself into thinking you're really having something sweeter than what it is, then you'll take care of it right there, all right? So try these out. If you're down with the ingredients, try them out, all right? Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully you like the videos. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you like these, and I'll keep showing you all the different treats and stuff that I like to eat, because especially if you're working out enough, if you're, you know, knocking out your cardio, if you're eating healthy, then you can have this stuff, all right? You can have things like this, you know, go treat yourself. But I'm telling you, man, these are so good. These are here, put them in the microwave, all right? That's kind of the secret. Put them in the microwave and they taste amazing, all right? So let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat these, and I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.